Hello, it's Mike from the fxpivotpoint.com. Taking a look at today's action. We can see we had the bottoming process and a little move up, and then just this nice struggle to get to 3,500, and then where's my little tool? I think on the factory sometime today I said I think it was around 5 o'clock later, I don't know, I said much earlier to sell 3,500, that was going to be probably a pretty protected zone above here, and let's face it, the euro is not doing so hot with what's going on. So I sold it, not as heavily as I should, and I didn't stay, and I stayed in until here and took profit, and that was it. But either way, during that move I made a little money, and you can see the pivot point right now, it's doing its job, and we are above the pivot point, and the as you can see, my signal says buy. No thank you. There's really just too much risk to the downside here to take this play. So where are we going from here? Your guess is as good as mine. With what's going on with the euro, that's my guess. Now, obviously, I'm not going to play that, but I think that's where we're headed. Time will tell. Alright, let's kill that, and let's go look. This obviously is a 15-minute chart, our day trading chart. The pound, again, the pound's making its way up. A few buy signals, again, no thanks, but look, we're clearly above the pivot point, so we're probably going to make this run at S1. If not, it's going to try to stay there, and even if we come down, it's probably going to bounce, unless news throws it off kilter to create this top where it's going to, my guess, here and then down, or just here to this top level again. Either way, it wants to hold above the pivot point, and remember, it will fight this pivot point just like the Euro USD will. We're above, and you can see as we speak we're going to fight, and my guess is, unless something, we're moving to 11:30 EST, so we're certainly looking like we are going to go up and retest this this 3,500. It's alright. Alright, now let's go take a look at what's going on with the yen. Ooh, look at this long trend line here. They're definitely trying to keep this up, aren't they? However, keep in mind with these pairs, look at that. It's trying to hold. Will it hold to R1? Will it hold and come back down? What was I just saying? I was just saying, keep in mind that this pivot point acts like a magnet. So no matter what goes on up here, there's a very high probability that during the day sometime we're going to come back down and test this pivot point. Alright, just keep that in mind. I don't know, I haven't watched this. I don't know what the long term is on this, but I did, just to be quite honest, I did take a small short right here. It took it right here, actually right where we are right now, because I think we're coming down to test this pivot point sometime today. I think the strength of this is just I think we're a little overextended here, and you can see we hit to the pip. Oh, look at that. I mean, that's to the pip R1, and then it bounced down a little bit, so we'll see. else do we have? What else do we have? I think that may be it. We can go take a look at the long term. Where are we at in the long term? Trying to make up that gap. Trying to get to this 50 mark. We've talked about this for quite a while. That'll be a point I'll sell. How about the hour? Ooh, we got a little trend line going here. Longer term, what we have on? We're on the hour here also. We've got this little trend line. We're going to move up and then kind of this roll over. Where's that damn thing? There he is. Alright, so we're going to move here. We got our, is this going to be our path? You know, not as nice as that. That'd be nice if it were like that, but you can see this just look at the size of that candle here. I mean, it engulfed hours of this struggle to get to the 3,500, and then the bulls just said, "Oh, no thanks." And you know, what do we have here? We have, let's kill this. Lots going on. Will it come to, you know, are we going to bounce up here and struggle to here? Yeah, it's possible. It'd be great. Give me another point to sell to tomorrow. We're going to break this trend line. Don't know. Alright, let's kill that. Remember, this previous support becomes resistance, so we will get resistance here, promise, unless something, you know, something really newsworthy, like someone lends Greece 100 billion, so they can lend, Greece can then lend Portugal 20 billion. Other than that, we're going to see some serious volatility here and some serious struggle to the for the bulls to make any headwind here. It's just with what's going on, it's just not going to happen. Alright, so what else do we want to look at? Well, that's really about it. 3,500 level. We're going to come back down here. My guess to test this. That's my you know, just technical opinion. Just, you know, not just looking at a chart. And that's, see ya. Oh, what's this on a fib? I bet this is. Are we at a? Do we have enough of a fib here to become? There's our high. Here's our low. If we fib this, is that 38 yet? No, no, I don't think so. Let's take a look. Stop that. Let's fib this. Let's see where we are. Wick to wick. We're close, aren't we? We've even got more, you know, looking here. We've got, oh, look at this. Ooh. I didn't notice this. Alright, where's that damn thing? There he is. Alright, so what do we have here? We have, well, number one, we have what's going on fundamentally, which is, you just wonder who's buying this. You know, what do you have? Banks, I guess. No one with any common sense. Alright, so we're here. We've got, right there, support becoming resistance. Right, I mean, almost to the damn pip at the 38. Which is a very significant trading level, and so is the 50. So of our last, you know, on the hour charts, these are nice down moves, and this is a pretty big move to take a look at. So do we make it here? And then, psh, I mean, we definitely, you know, we've got a lot going on here. We've got support becoming resistance. We have this little trend line. You know, that I think we'll be breaking. That this is not really a big deal, to be quite honest. Actually, let's just move him. He's not, to me, he's not that big.